MI-7983 Electric Sit-Stand Workstation. Assembly. Attach the lift column to the base using the provided bolts. Insert the upper two bolts into the rectangular bracket on the lower portion of the lift column. Leave a gap of approximately 6 mm between the bottom of the bolt head and the bracket. Install the 6 bolts through the keyboard tray bracket and into the bottom of the keyboard tray, then tighten until secure. Hang the keyboard tray on the 2 bolts and ensure that the bolts are seated fully in the smaller end of the keyhole-shaped holes. Install the 2 bolts to the lower bolt holes, then fully tighten the upper 2 bolts. Slide the control panel down over the top of the column. Connect the controller to the motor. Then, connect the cable to the wall plug and then plug the cord into the power outlet. Press the up arrow button and raise the keyboard tray to a higher position to comfortably access the bottom of the tray. Install the provided bolts through the underside of the tray into the control panel to secure it in place. Loosen and remove the bolts and knobs on the top of the VESA plates, then remove the plates. Slide the end of the arms onto the middle piece, then secure them together using the 2 provided bolts and hex wrench. Slide the monitor arm onto the column and tighten the bolts to secure the arms at the desired height. Select the appropriate size mounting bolts for your monitor's mounting holes and install the VESA plate onto the back of the monitor. Slide the monitors into place on the end of the monitor arm brackets. Reinstall the bolts and knobs removed earlier to secure the monitors in place. The VESA plates can be slid horizontally on the crossbars to adjust to the size of your monitors. To fine-tune the height of your monitors, turn the adjustment knob located behind the monitors above the VESA plate. The monitor can be tilted 90 degrees, swiveled 60 degrees, and can be rotated to be at a landscape or portrait orientation.